If you've been searching for a seamless, safe, and intelligent solution to modernize your traditional roller shutter system, the Meross MRS200MA Matter Smart Roller Shutter Belt Winder is the upgrade you've been waiting for. As the first belt winder in the market to support Matter, Meross has taken a bold step into the future of universal smart home connectivity, and the result is a device that is smart, safe, and exceptionally well designed. Whether you're seeking comfort, energy efficiency, or peace of mind, this device delivers on all fronts. Perfect for anyone looking to bring old-school roller shutters into the smart home age, securely, simply, and smartly. The Meross MRS200MA Matter Smart Roller Shutter Belt Winder sets a new benchmark for smart shading systems. With unmatched compatibility, powerful automation, intelligent safety features, and a user-focused design, this product proves that smart home upgrades don't have to be complicated or invasive. Meross prioritizes safety with TVCE certification, ensuring the product meets the highest European safety standards. The device comes equipped with intelligent sensors and built-in algorithms that detect resistance and obstruction, providing superior protection for both users and the motor system. Another standout safety feature is the manual motor disengagement, which allows you to operate the shutter by hand during a power outage, a must-have in emergencies. One of the standout features of the MRS200MA is its Matter compatibility. This ensures effortless integration with all major smart home ecosystems, including Apple Home, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Samsung SmartThings, without relying on third-party apps or cloud services. This roller shutter belt winder brings simplicity and interoperability into a space that often feels fragmented and complicated.